cookies at? Where are they? Go point to him. If you point to him, I'll get you another one. Where are the cookies? Where are they? What do you say? What do you say? Can you say please?
Please.
Please. Good job. Hold on, I gotta get it open. Can you say thank you? Don't let Delcy get it.